How does a headphone maker respond to rising prices? Well, if you're Sony, the answer might be to revive a model from 6 years ago and slap a cheaper price tag on it. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to a reliable leaker, Sony's planning to launch a new version of the WH-1000XM4. It's said to be called the WH-1000XM4C and could retail for around $250. The new model is expected to be largely unchanged from the original XM4, which collected much praise during its run. In fact, the leak suggests that the only differences between the XM4C and its discontinued predecessor will be battery life and color options. Its foldable design, 40mm drivers, and noise-canceling processor would all carry over. The new model is reportedly rated for up to 34 hours without active noise cancellation and 27 hours with ANC. Sony listed 38 and 30 hours respectively for the 2020 model, so that would be a slight dip. The XM4C's color options might include black, platinum, silver, and a new lavender. The leaker, who accurately predicted the PS5 Pro announcement back in 2024, claims that Sony will release the new XM4C on September 7th. The XM4C will reportedly cost €250 in Europe and £220 in the UK. For reference, the current WH-1000XM6 retails for $460 in the US and €470 in the EU. So fans can guess what a $240 to $250 price tag is for US buyers. That would make it an odd duck in Sony's lineup, since the last gen XM5 is often discounted to around $250. Of course, since all of this was a leak, it can be pretty much inaccurate. But if the rumor holds up, perhaps other companies will handle rising prices in similar ways. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.